Hey everyone, this is a video on how to create a cross-tabulation in Odesi. The first step in creating a crosstab is starting at a survey information page. Here we're going to start at the Canadian Alcohol and Drug Use Monitoring Survey page, and then we're going to click Explore Variables on the left side under the title to get to the Data Explorer. When creating cross-tabulations, if we are interested in a specific survey group, the best practice is to select the group before starting our cross-tabulation. But if we are interested in selecting variables from multiple groups, it would be better to keep your group selection on all variables. To start our cross-tabulation, we can click the cross-tabulation button at the top of our variable list. This will open the cross-tabulation pop-up. We're interested in cross-tabbing if respondents have ever tried ecstasy, the province of the respondent, and the sex of the respondent. We can either scroll the full list on the left to find the variables we'd like in our crosstab, or you can click Control F or Command F if you are on Mac to start searching through the page. It's better practice to browse a list if you are unfamiliar with a survey. I'm going to Command F, search for ecstasy, and scroll through the matches until we find a variable that we are looking for. Here, I'm going to select this variable by clicking the checkbox to the right of the variable label, and then add it to our column by clicking the arrow next to the columns box. You can select as many variables at once and bulk assign them to rows or columns, but for now we will do them one at a time. Depending on your variables, you can also play around with the placement of your rows and columns. Unfortunately, as of this video's recording, there's no proper way to assign weights to your cross-tabulations. Let's add the province variable to our row, the same way we did for our ecstasy use variable, by searching for it by pressing Command F, typing in province, and finding the variable. We can select the variable by clicking the box to the right of the variable label, but this time clicking the arrow next to rows to assign it to our row column. At this moment, our crosstab in progress compares has the respondent ever used or tried ecstasy, filtered by the respondent's province. Let's add the sex variable to our row, identically to how we added our province variable, by pressing Control F or Command F, searching for sex, scrolling through our options until we find the variable we are looking for. Once we find our variable, we can click the checkbox and press the arrow next to our rows. Now our crosstab in progress compares has the respondent ever used or tried ecstasy, filtered by province and sex. Once we're satisfied with our cross-tabulation, we can click OK. Our cross-tabulation will be created in the cross-tabulation pop-up. We can save our cross-tabulation table by copying the entire table, pressing Ctrl or Command C, and pasting it into an Excel workbook. This concludes this tutorial. This video was presented by the Macodrum Library Data Services team. Thank you for watching.